Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Justin with Johnson Vlogs, and today I'm going to be doing a video on my desk. I'm going to give y'all a cut list so y'all know exactly all of the measurements I use to get what I have. So just off the top, roughly this is exactly 6 foot long, and then I have an L over here that comes out 3 extra feet. Obviously, if you don't need your desk this big, you can alter the measurements that I give y'all. But I built this desk almost 6 months ago. I have a time lapse of me doing everything to the desk: cutting, sanding, screwing together, painting, staining, and polying. So you can watch through that if you like, or whatever. Just kind of give you a general idea of what all I did to get what I have. So I'm gonna give you like a quick material list or tool list that you're gonna need to build something like this. If you decide to build something exactly like this or something similar. So you're gonna need a drill, obviously, screws, sandpaper, poly, stain, wood, obviously. You're gonna need a chop saw or a skill saw, whichever one you have. It's easier with a chop saw, that way you can cut your 45s and stuff like that. You're also gonna wanna buy some wood filler, and you're gonna need multiple sizes of screws for going through here, going through your plywood, down into your 2x4s, or your 2x4s going to your other 2x4s. They will need to be different sizes. So about use 3.5 for there and 2 inch for here. Just so you can get a good grip and all that stuff, and it's not going through, obviously. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show you all this cut list real quick. So this is a cut list right here. This is everything that you need. If you want to pause it and write all this down, you can, or just take a screenshot, whatever. So that is all the cuts you'll need. You're roughly going to need about, I think, 8 to 10 2x4s. I can't really exactly remember, but I think it's around 10. And 1 sheet of 3/4 plywood to get this done. This will build you this desk right here. So I think I love it. I can show you some stuff that I've done to the desk also that have been obviously good upgrades, and I can post links in the description for all the stuff that I've done to this. But it's an awesome desk, and I really wouldn't have built it any differently. So yeah, let's go ahead and give you a little preview of the desk. So I added on these little controller brackets. I thought was really cool. Kind of gets them out of the way off the top and everything like that. I ordered them off Amazon. I cannot remember exactly the price, but this is the brand and everything, and I'll put the link in the description for that. They're pretty awesome, easy to put on and everything. Then I also did I cut some holes and bought these little cable management pieces, so you just slide it down in the hole. Got one there. Then I got one back here behind the computer, just so I could get all the, majority of the wires down. There you go. I got my surge protector that I did do a review on. That was it's very nice. I actually really like it. I mounted it right there. It's a perfect spot. I know it's not really the cleanest setup, but I was thinking about getting some cable wraps or whatever to hang it up there to get it out of the way and make it look a little nicer. So I actually put LED lights under the desk and on the back of the legs all the way around the thing. What I like about this little brace that I did down here, which obviously you're gonna need it to help hold the legs together, is it's like an awesome footrest. You put your feet on there, super cool. One thing that I did not put on the cut list is these 45 blocks. You can just cut these out of some scrap material that you had left over and just screw them in, pre-drill your holes and screw it in like that. That way it gives it a good brace. I did one there and then one on that side, and that's all I did. I also took my RBG remotes and stuff to everything that I have and bought some Velcro. So that's super nice. Gets it off the desk, gets it out of the way. I bought some of the holders for cables, like phone cords or whatever. And I put one here, and I got a few here. I look for wire to wire up my controller or whatever, and then I can just wrap it over the tower back down here and hook it right there, so it's completely out of the way. Let me go ahead and turn on these lights on this desk just so you can check that part out too. I used Go-V, I think that's what it's called, or Gove, I'm not exactly sure. They're right here actually. This is the strip set I used. I didn't do a review on that. I should have. They're super awesome. I love Gove or Govee, whatever it's called. Actually, that's the light bulb I have in right there. It actually changes colors too. I did a review on that. But I also have this brand inside of my truck for interior lights. So these lights I did on the desk, I think it looks pretty freaking awesome. There's seriously nothing that I would change about it. So if you're looking to build yourself a desk and, you know, have something that you actually built yourself, then this is a very nice one. There's not a ton of videos of people building desks on YouTube, but I mean, there is some. But like with this desk, like obviously you could change the size if you can't have it this long or you want it longer. You know, you just like make your adjustments to your measurements as you need it. And you can also like just paint the top or stain the legs and stain the top or do whatever you want with it. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the time lapse of me building this desk and doing everything like I told y'all to the desk, so y'all can give it a little preview. Before I send y'all off to the time lapse, I just want to go ahead and say thanks for watching the video, and please like, comment, subscribe, and if y'all end up building this desk, maybe send us a picture or something. That'd be awesome to see.